Hello, friends. I was just driving through East Houston and I saw this market. This is Navigation Boulevard. It's called Esplanade. Between two roads, there's a small park and there's a market, night market, and a lot of people are here. It's quite bright. There's the lights, there's music, there's fun. There's a lot of families and individuals coming here to see and purchase things. I've been told there's a lot of merchants here that are new entrepreneurs. They are trying to test waters to see how their products sell before they can start business on a bigger scale. So let's talk to some of them and see their products and just let's have some fun. This place looks so exciting. There's a lot of positive energy here, a lot of music, and everybody is having fun. I feel really lucky that I was saw noticed this and I'm here at the right time. Normally, if you drive by during the day, there's just a park. Hello. You made it yourself? What is that? What is that?
It's a candle.
It's a candle.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Nice. How much is it? How much are those?
This one it's 15. That's coffee.
Oh, okay. Nice. They are selling fresh fruit juices. They are selling some of the stalls are selling food. Saw hot dogs, tacos, and all sorts of mainly Mexican food. How are you? So you make them to order or whatever you have?
I'm sorry?
Do you make them to order like whatever you?
Custom too, but this is the ones from my brand.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And this is your brand.
Correct.
What's this called?
Favic.
Fabric.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's
that's nice.
short for my name.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
And how long you been doing this?
I started my brand in July.
In July?
I've been thinking about it for years,
Yeah.
but I finally got the courage to start doing it.
What kind of clothes are you doing?
For now, I'm only doing t-shirts and hats with my logos.
Yeah.
But obviously, I want to start growing
Yeah.
as I have more room. Because right now, I'm working off
Yeah.
of my parents' house in my room.
That's all the big ideas start, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
And that's great. And you're just designing or you're getting it manufactured?
No, I'm
You're involved
just
in
designing.
just designing?
Yeah. I'm doing them in my room.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
That's great. I wish you good luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So this was Fabiana. She is a designer. She designs clothes from her home and she's trying to launch her brand. So in these markets, people try to start their new business or talent. I think all these young entrepreneurs should get support, and I really like that they want to try something new, something positive. Hello, how are you?
Okay, thank you.
Hello, how are
So what is this Dubai chocolate? What does it have? Pistachio?
the butter pistachio chocolate ganache and forgive me if I'm pronouncing it wrong, the topping, which is a Mediterranean ingredient that gives it the crunch. So,
Okay, let me try one.
yeah,
Thank
of
you.
course. I got else, man.
So, yeah, that's it for now. I just want to try that.
I got you. And would that be with card or cash?
That'll be card.
Enjoy, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Hello, how are you?
Oh no, it's free.
Free?
Yeah.
Thank you. I got some free samples as well, and I purchased a Dubai strawberry ice cream something, and I'm going to sit in my car and try it, see how it tastes. I've never tried the Dubai ice cream and chocolate. There's a lot of hype. I heard there's a shortage of pistachio in world because of the Dubai chocolate, and that is all for today. And I hope you enjoy today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's nice.